Hello kids, welcome to science. This is my new home patio because it's not really a garden, and I'm going to show you all of the plants that I've got at home. These orange, pink, and red ones are called calanchos, and this one in the middle is called spearmint or hierbabuena in Spanish. I also have this big one that in Spanish they call it maicera. And I also have these malvas, which I need to find out the name in English. I have this little succulent here, a palo de Brasil. I also have a snake plant. This one is called a croto, and also I have some more spearmint around it. Neighbor has some papayas. And I also have this dead one. I didn't manage to water it. The fact is there are many types of plants, but they all have basically the same parts. And I'm going to show you those today. Let's begin with the roots. They will have two categories, the tap roots and the fibrous roots. Tap roots are going to be deep roots like palm trees, and fibrous roots are going to be surface roots like grass. The next structure is the stem, and it has some tubes inside that are very important. One of the tubes carries the nutrients up while the other one carries the nutrients down. The one that takes the nutrients up is called a xylem, while the one that takes it down is called phloem. The next part is the leaf. This is a very important part because it is the main way that the plant gets its food. The reason why is that the cells of the leaf has chloroplasts. This is an organelle inside of the cells of the plant that is going to be able to capture the sun's energy to make its food. Underneath the leaf, there is another structure that is like the nose of the leaf, and this is called stomata. It is in charge of making carbon dioxide come inside so that it can also make food. The next part that we're going to make is a flower because the plant needs to reproduce. This will be achieved by making seeds, and this will eventually lead to new plants. Some plants produce fruit, and this makes the same effect as a flower. It will have the seeds inside of the fruit, and an animal can come along and eat it, and afterward the seeds will be processed through the body of the animal by pooping it out and therefore being already fertilized to be planted. So whether they are an ornament or whether they are something functional for us because they provide fruit, the fact is that plants are very important for us. And remember, they're actually one of the biggest kingdoms that we have.